Namaskar. Nowadays, the hair fall has increased. I am going to talk on the hair fall after the COVID. I am going to tell you when it starts after having the COVID, what are the symptoms and what is the treatment. So, after COVID, most of the person, especially the females, will have the hair loss. And this hair loss starts after 6 to 8 weeks of having the COVID. The persons or the females who had the COVID or who have suffered from COVID in the end of the March and the April, now they are going to have the excessive hair fall. What do you mean by excessive hair fall? When the number of hair fall per day is more than 100 hair, then you call it's an abnormal hair fall. Usually 50 to 100 hair fall can be taken as normal, or there can be physiological variation, and this is called as telogen effluvium. Telogen effluvium is a condition in which the person, patient, a male or a female or a young boy, suffers from excessive hair fall after any stress. This stress can be because of, means the psychological stress, means the emotional, environmental, physical, social and the financial. Means any stress, any major disease, major fever, COVID, something like that, if your body has suffered from, or some major abnormality in your family, some major event, mishap, then it disturbs your entire body and the hairs are the first to get affected and they fall after the 6 to 8 weeks of the primary insult to the body. So what is the treatment of it? The most important thing is it is normal. Normal means you should not worry much about it. It is going to recover. That is first important thing. Second thing is what you can do at home at your level, and do you need doctor's advice? I'll give you both. What you can do at home, the first important I said is do not worry, it will be fine. Then you correct your nutritional deficiencies if you have, like B12, vitamin D, iron, protein, or any nutrient deficiency if you have, you correct them, take multivitamin, good amount of fluids, fruit juices, and healthy diet. Number 3, if you have any associated morbidities like diabetes, hypertension, thyroid disease or other problem, get the treatment of those by your physician, control your existing morbidities. So do stress management, do regular exercises. So all these things are very important. If you are a smoker, try to reduce or stop the smoking. If you are a tobacco chewer, then reduce it. So these are the things which you can do, and your hair loss will be controlled, and it may take 2 to 4 months. So do not worry about it. Then you can consult a doctor. And what the doctor is going to prescribe you, number 1 thing is what I have explained you 3-4 steps before that. And then he may prescribe you the minoxidil. Minoxidil 5% is the treatment, one of the treatment or a preferred treatment to control the telogen effluvium. But even if you are not taking any doctor's advice and you understood the disease, you are correcting your existing problems, your nutritional deficiency, your stress, then even the treatment may not be needed. You understood when you will be needed and when you are not needed. But certainly if you are using the minoxidil solution for the treatment of post-COVID hair fall, the recovery will be faster. And it will give you a psychological relief that you are having the treatment of post-telogen effluvium, means the post-COVID hair fall or effluvium. So this is all about this. Even some may advise you the PRP also, but I tell you they are not strongly indicated, but they certainly helps you to recover fast and to regain your hair faster. If you have any query related to this, you can put a question and ask us. Thank you.